Welcome to the ultimate guide to speeding through customs. Did you know that the average traveler spends around 45 minutes in customs? But you don't have to. Imagine breezing through in half the time. Studies show that 70% of delays at customs are due to simple mistakes. Let's fix that. In this video, you'll discover smart packing tips, strategic seating choices, and how to use tech to your advantage. We'll uncover little-known secrets that can cut your wait time by up to 50%. You'll also learn how to ace customs interviews and what to do once you're through. Ever heard that using certain apps can make your journey smoother? Or that how you pack can speed up your inspection? We've got all these hacks and more. Stay tuned to find out how you can make your next customs experience quick and hassle-free. Ready to become a customs pro? Let's dive in and get you on your way faster than ever before. 1. Pre-departure prep, the key to swift clearance. Strategic packing is essential for breezing through customs. Did you know that neatly packed luggage can reduce inspection time by up to 50%? I'll share some packing hacks. Roll your clothes to maximize space and visibility. Use clear bags for toiletries and electronics. This way, security personnel can quickly see what's inside without rummaging through your bag. Next, let's talk about organizing your documents. Having a dedicated travel folder can save you precious minutes. Include your passport, boarding pass, visa, and any necessary health documents. Some travelers even use accordion folders for easy access. Keep all documents in the same place. This helps you avoid the last-minute scramble, reducing your stress and wait time. Digital tools are a modern traveler's best friend. Mobile passport apps like Mobile Passport Control can expedite the process significantly. According to a recent survey, 65% of users reported faster clearance times. Ensure your boarding pass is on your phone. This minimizes the chance of losing it and speeds up your journey through checkpoints. Strategic seating on the plane can also make a difference. Aim for seats near the front for a quicker exit upon landing. This can shave off crucial minutes when you're heading to customs. Being among the first off the plane means less time waiting in line. Arriving early at your destination is another smart move. Crowds build up quickly, especially at major airports. By arriving early, you can get ahead of the rush. This tactic is particularly effective at peak travel times. An early bird truly catches the worm, or in this case, gets through customs faster. Positioning yourself strategically in line is another subtle, yet effective, trick. Lines often split into multiple paths near the customs booths. Observing and choosing the faster-moving line can save you a lot of time. It's not just about luck. It's about being observant and proactive. 2. Nailing the arrival routine. Secrets unveiled. Upon arrival, having a smooth routine can make all the difference. Your goal is to minimize delays and streamline your passage through customs. A strategic seating choice plays a big role. Sitting near the front of the plane ensures you're one of the first off, cutting down your wait time at customs. Once you've disembarked, make your way quickly and calmly to customs. Keep your passport and necessary documents in hand. This readiness shows officials you're organized and prepared. It can lead to a smoother and faster interaction. The early bird strategy is golden. Arriving early at your destination airport means fewer crowds. You can avoid long lines and get through customs quicker. Data shows that passengers arriving early are processed 20% faster on average. Less crowd means less stress and more time to enjoy your trip. Positioning yourself in the right line is another key. Lines often move at different speeds. Observe and choose wisely. Sometimes, the lines at the far end are shorter. Walking a bit more can save you significant waiting time. In addition to positioning, proactive behavior can help. Stand tall and make eye contact with customs officers. Confidence and politeness can make your interaction smoother. Remember, they deal with hundreds of travelers daily. A respectful demeanor can make you stand out positively. Finally, don't forget to smile. It's a small gesture but can have a big impact. A friendly smile shows you're cooperative and can ease tensions. Customs officers appreciate courteous travelers. It might even make their day a bit brighter. 3. Strategic distractions. Keeping the line moving. When you're waiting in line, strategic distractions can be your best friend. Bringing entertainment essentials can make the wait more bearable. Pocket-sized puzzles, e-books, or downloaded shows are great options. A study found that engaging in a mental activity can make waiting feel 30% shorter. It's all about keeping your mind occupied. Travel-friendly snacks are another must-have. Choose nutritious, non-messy snacks like nuts or dried fruit. These can keep your energy up without creating a mess. Protein bars are also a good option. They're compact, filling, and easy to pack. Plus, having a snack on hand can prevent you from feeling irritable due to hunger. Mindful movement is key to staying comfortable in line. Discreet stretches can alleviate stiffness. Try simple moves like rolling your shoulders or stretching your calves. These small actions can make a big difference in how you feel. A Harvard study found that stretching can reduce muscle tension by 40%. So, don't be afraid to move a bit while you wait. Listening to calming music or a favorite podcast can also help. Music has been shown to reduce stress levels significantly. It can create a more pleasant atmosphere, even in a crowded customs line. Choose something soothing and enjoyable. This can turn a potentially stressful situation into a more relaxed experience. Another tip is to stay hydrated. Carry a refillable water bottle with you. Airports often have water fountains where you can refill. Staying hydrated keeps you feeling good and can prevent headaches. Just remember to empty your bottle before going through security to avoid any issues. Engaging with fellow travelers can also make the time pass quicker. A friendly chat can be a great distraction. Share travel stories or tips. You might learn something new or make a friend. Social interactions can make the wait feel shorter and more enjoyable. Using this time to organize your belongings can also be helpful. Double-check that you have all necessary documents ready. Ensure that your bags are packed in an orderly fashion. This can save time once you reach the customs officer. Preparation is key to a smooth and quick process. For post-customs celebration, reward yourself. Clearing customs quickly is a victory worth celebrating. Once you're through, take a moment to reward yourself. Indulge in local delicacies as a way to mark your travel success. It's a delicious way to start your journey. Try something new and enjoy the local flavors. Food can be a wonderful introduction to a new culture. Victory rituals can make your travel experience more enjoyable. Plan a small treat for yourself. Whether it's a coffee from a local cafe or a spa session, these rewards can boost your mood. They give you something to look forward to after the stress of customs. Reflection and relaxation are also important. Take a few moments to unwind and breathe. Practice deep breathing exercises to calm your mind. This helps you transition smoothly from the hustle of travel to the enjoyment of your destination. A few minutes of mindfulness can make a big difference. Share your customs conquests with fellow travelers. Join online communities to swap stories and tips. Platforms like TripAdvisor and travel forums are great for this. You can learn from others and share your own experiences. It's a great way to build a network of travel-savvy friends. Treat yourself to a little luxury if possible. A lounge pass can be a great investment. Lounges offer comfortable seating, refreshments, and sometimes even showers. It's a perfect way to relax and rejuvenate after a long journey. According to a survey, 60% of travelers feel more relaxed after using airport lounges. Don't forget to explore and enjoy your surroundings. You've made it through customs, now it's time to enjoy your destination. Take in the sights, sounds, and smells. Immerse yourself in the local culture. Travel is all about experiences, and you're off to a great start. 5 Hotel Hounds. Finding pet-friendly accommodations. Finding pet-friendly accommodations can be a challenge, but with the right strategies, it becomes a breeze. First, always check hotel policies before booking. Not all hotels welcome pets, and those that do may have restrictions. According to the American Hotel and Lodging Association, about 75% of hotels in the U.S. are pet-friendly, but rules vary widely. Use websites and apps designed for pet owners. Websites like BringFido and apps like PetFriendly make it easy to find and book pet-friendly accommodations. These platforms often include user reviews, which can give you insights into the quality of the stay. When booking, always call the hotel to confirm their pet policy. Some hotels have weight limits or breed restrictions. Make sure to ask about any additional fees. A survey by TripAdvisor found that pet fees can range from $10 to $100 per night. Look for accommodations that offer pet amenities. Some hotels provide pet beds, bowls, and even pet room service. Did you know that the Kimpton Hotel chain offers a director of pet relations at some locations? These perks can make your pet stay more enjoyable. Consider vacation rentals. Websites like Airbnb and Vrbo have filters to find pet-friendly rentals. These can offer more space and a home-like environment for your pet. A study by Airbnb found that pet-friendly listings receive more bookings, showing the growing demand for such options. Plan for your pet's exercise needs. Check if the hotel has a designated pet area or if there are parks nearby. Keeping your pet active is crucial for their well-being. According to the American Kennel Club, regular exercise reduces anxiety in pets. Pack a travel kit for your pet. Include food, water, bowls, and any medications. Don't forget familiar items like toys and blankets. Familiar smells can help your pet feel more at home. A study in the Journal of Veterinary Behavior found that familiar items significantly reduce stress in pets. Respect hotel rules. Keep your pet on a leash in common areas and never leave them alone in the room. This ensures a positive experience for both you and the hotel staff. The American Pet Products Association reports that well-behaved pets and responsible owners are more likely to be welcomed back. 6. Travel tranquility. Keeping pets calm and comfortable. Keeping your pet calm and comfortable during travel is key to a successful trip. Start by creating a familiar and cozy space for your pet. Bring their favorite bed or blanket. Familiar smells can be very comforting. According to a study in the Journal of Veterinary Behavior, familiar items can reduce pet stress by 30%. Use calming products like pheromone sprays or anxiety wraps. These can help keep your pet relaxed during the journey. A study published in Applied Animal Behavior Science found that pheromone sprays reduce stress behaviors in 70% of dogs. If your pet is prone to anxiety, consider using natural supplements. Products containing CBD or calming herbs like chamomile can help. Always consult your vet before giving your pet any supplements. The American Veterinary Medical Association notes that many natural products can be effective in reducing anxiety. Music can also be soothing for pets. Create a calming playlist or use apps like Pet Acoustics that offer music designed for pets. A study by the University of Glasgow found that music can significantly reduce stress in dogs. Maintain a routine as much as possible. Feed your pet at their usual times and take regular breaks for exercise and bathroom needs. The American Kennel Club advises that keeping a routine helps reduce travel-related anxiety. Hydration is crucial. Make sure your pet always has access to fresh water. Dehydration can increase stress and lead to health issues. A travel water bottle for pets is a handy tool to keep them hydrated on the go. Avoid feeding your pet right before travel. This can help prevent motion sickness. The American Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, ASPCA, recommends feeding your pet a few hours before the trip and avoiding large meals. Monitor your pet for signs of stress. Look for panting, whining, or pacing. If you notice these behaviors, try to soothe your pet with a gentle voice and petting. According to a study by the American Animal Hospital Association, pets respond well to calm and reassuring tones.